If you've ever sent a message on Telegram that you instantly regretted, or you just want to clean up your chat history, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to delete sent messages on the Telegram app for Android, whether it's a single embarrassing typo or several messages all at once. By the end of this video, you'll have full control over your Telegram conversations and know how to quickly and confidently remove any messages you don't want hanging around. So let's jump right in. First, pick up your Android device and open the Telegram app. It's the blue paper airplane icon, you know the one. Once you're inside Telegram, find and tap on the specific chat where the message you want to delete lives. This could be an individual conversation, a group chat, or even a channel if you're an admin. Taking a moment to double-check that you're in the right chat is important. We definitely don't want to delete messages from the wrong conversation by mistake. Now, to remove just one message, simply scroll until you spot it. Press and hold your finger down on that specific message. It might be a text, a photo, anything sent through Telegram. After a second or two, the message will be highlighted, giving you a little visual confirmation that you've selected it correctly. You'll also see a menu appear at the top of your screen. Look for the trash can icon, that's your magic eraser right there. Go ahead and tap it. This is where Telegram is really user-friendly, but it does ask you to make an important choice. A confirmation pop-up window appears and you might notice two options. You'll see something like delete for recipient's name or perhaps delete for everyone. If you want that message gone from both your own chat and from the other person's conversation, make sure this box is checked. It's incredibly helpful for those moments when you sent something by accident and need a clean slate. But if you just want to remove it from your own device, maybe to reduce clutter or hide a conversation on your end, just uncheck the box. Telegram leaves you in full control here. Once you've made your decision, tap delete to confirm. You might feel that gentle little pause where your phone thinks about it and then poof, the message disappears. If you chose delete for everyone, it's gone from all selected chat histories instantly. Now, what if you want to do a bigger cleanup? Say you need to delete several messages at once, maybe to erase a whole thread of conversation or tidy up a long chat. You don't have to do this one message at a time. Here, the trick, start by tapping and holding the first message you wish to delete, just like before. Instead of stopping there, continue tapping on the other messages in the chat that you want gone. Each message you select will highlight, so you can see exactly what's been added to your list. When you're ready, look for that trash can icon again at the top of your screen and give it a tap. In the pop-up confirmation, make sure delete for everyone is selected if you want a total wipe from all chat histories. Finally, tap delete. All the chosen messages will vanish instantly. It's like sweeping away digital crumbs, simple, quick, and really satisfying. That's it. Remember, if you don't see the delete for everyone option, it might be because too much time has passed since the message was sent, or the recipient already saw it. Telegram gives a reasonable window for message deletion, but it's not unlimited, so keep that in mind. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, maybe you ran into something tricky along the way, drop a comment down below. I always love hearing from you and I do my best to respond. And if you want more straightforward, practical guides like this, go ahead and subscribe for more easy tutorials that help you get the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.